So I had one of my guys that I work with on this project that I've been doing in Tempe stop by and come see me yesterday. And we was talking about, me staying in the RV, me doing mobile fabrication. And, I was talking about certain things I have done and how I had my setup. And I get it that a lot of people are full of talk, that they only talk about, they only talk a good game. Well, yesterday, once he was able to come over and see me and we sat down and we talked, he realized that I wasn't just talking. I was putting actions behind everything that I was saying. He even seen one of my projects, and it was so funny. He looked at this. He said, "You made this?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Man, this shit looks store-bought." So that made me feel good. He was like, "Bro, you hard." You know what I mean? And then he liked the fact that I was staying in the RV, because you can do anything. There's no limitations when you live in an RV. I mean, you can pack up and go when things is not working right. So I honestly feel that that was a good move for me to invest in my equipment, invest in the RV, invest to be mobile, invest in to travel, because that's really what life is all about, seeing things. You can make money anywhere. As long as you got the correct tools and you got a good team or people you can network with from different states. You don't even have to be, surrounded by the people. But if you can network with someone, there's so many opportunities, so many opportunities. So what I would say is always network yourself and always make actions speak louder than words. So you're not just talking, because we know that faith without works is dead and works is actions. I'm all about actions. Hold on.